right now we are going to do the previous year question. So right now we have this as our previous year question from the relational algebra. So this is the question here. So if you see this question, we are going to see how you can write the answer to the question. First of all, you have books, account number, which is a primary key, ISBN, title, edition, year, fine. Members, member ID, member name, member type. Issued to is going to be the relation between these books and members, right? Because it has the primary key of both of these books and members, account number and member ID. Then you have date of issue, fine. First, let's see we are going to write the relational algebra queries for all of these. You need the accession number, that is the account number, in name, that is the title of the book, which is of 3rd edition, published in 2018. So that means first I need to select where the edition is the edition, right? That is this edition. This edition is basically 3. That is what I have to select. And then I have to do and here because edition is 3. Then I have to do the and year in which it is published is 2018. That also I need to mention from book. Okay, so I got this part. Then I have to display the name and accession number, means the title of the book and account number. It's not name here, title should be here. Title and account number of this we have to project is used when you want to show some columns, right? So we are using the project. This query is done. Next query says that names and date of issue of books taken by a member with name Priya. We need to display the title, that is the names of the book, and also we need to display the date of issue, which is there in this issue table, okay, which is taken by a member with the name Priya. That means member ID is in here. The member name should be Priya. So one thing that you have to do first right now is that we have to do a lot of natural join here. Okay, we have to do a lot of natural join here. First of all, if you see here, let's say here, first I want to take the member with the name Priya. Let us say that. So what I'm doing is that in the members table, I am displaying all the things in the members table whose member name is Priya, and I am putting it in a table called as A. This much we have understood. I am taking all the data of the person in the members table with member name Priya. Fine. Okay. Now we have to take that member's name. Now we got a table here. Now I have to do the natural join of this members and issue to table, so that I will get the member ID and date of issue. Member ID of that, see here what I will get the date of issue and account number of that member named Priya. So what I'm doing is that I am doing the natural join, which is common here in member ID. Member ID is common. So in our table A dot member ID and issued to tables member ID, if I am doing the not EQ join, if I am doing of these two tables, then I get a new table B. And what does this B have? B would have the date of issue, member ID and account number of the person whose member name is Priya. Now I need to display the name, title also I have to display. For that I am doing the natural join of this B table with the books table, in which condition account number, right, that is this B also has an account number, B dot account number and books dot account numbers. EQ join we are doing right now. So I will get the final result C, and then in that final result I need to display only the names and date of issue. So I am going to project only the title and date of issue in this table C. You have understood, right? First, the thing is that I have to take all the details of the member Priya. I took that. Then now I needed to EQ join it with the issue to, on which condition, member ID. So I do that. So now what I get the details of the member name Priya. I got all the details of the member name Priya. Now the question also says, so now I can display the date of issue of Priya, but the question also says to display the title of the books that Priya has issued. So therefore I need to do natural join of the new table with the books on which condition, on the account number condition. So from that I can project the title and date of issue, only what I require. I hope you have understood. So first of all, while you are doing EQ join, you always has to do with the two tables which has anything same. We have to check that if there is any foreign keys and all, we have to check that, and then you're going to do here. Okay, fine. Now let's see next question, that is name of books not taken by any member. So first of all, what you're going to do, first of all you need to display the name of the books which is not taken by any member. So we are going to display all the books, display the books which are taken by the member. So in that issue to a member, we have from this issued from the book table, we what we are going to basically do is that we will be having some issued to which contains the account number of people who have books. Books contain all the account number. So what I'm going to do is that issued to, I am projecting the account number of all the issued to, and also I'm projecting the account number of all the books. See here, it contains the account number of all the books which is there in that particular, let's say, library. Okay, now this contains all the account number of those which is issued to a member, that is only those which is there for a member, their account number only will be seen here. So two tables we get, and if I subtract A from A, if I'm subtracting B, that means I will get those books which is not there. I will get those books which is not there, account number of those books which is not being read by anyone. Right, I get that. So right now I have account number of those books which is account number only I have of those books which is not read by anyone. So if I do that account number and books natural join, then I am going to project the title from there. That means I don't have the title here, will give me only the account number of the person who do not have any books, or who do not take, the member who did not take any books. But I need the title. The question is to display the name of the books. So if I wanted to show the name of the books, then what I have to do, I have to project the title from the books. So for that I have to do the EQ join of this table with books on which condition, on account number condition. Understood? If you have any doubts regarding this question, please mention it in the comment section so I can clear as soon as possible.